Very good morning, student. I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a mathematics teacher representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajodha. Student, today I am taking chapter number 6, exercise number 6.1 of class 9 mathematics. The demand of question according to the figure 6.13. Figure number 6.13 is here. Lines AB and CD are intersect. What is the mean of the intersection? If any two lines are parallel to each other, a simple representation of the parallel lines. Intersecting that means ठीक है, इंटरसेक्ट मतलब किसी ना किसी पॉइंट पे वो एक दूसरे को क्या कर रहे हैं, कट कर रहे हैं. ओके, तो लाइंस ए बी एंड सी डी, वेयर इज द ए बी एंड सी डी इंटरसेक्ट एट अ पॉइंट कैपिटल ओ. ओके स्टूडेंट, ए बी एंड सी डी इंटरसेक्ट एट अ पॉइंट कैपिटल ओ इफ angle AOC, that means AOC and BOE will be equal of 70 degree. So and angle BOD will be equal of 40 degree. Sum of these and these will be equal of 70 degree and this angle will be equal of 40 degree. We have to find the angle BOE. Angle BOE we have to calculate. Okay student, we have to calculate this angle. मुझे ये angle क्या करना, find out करना है, angle BOE and also reflex of angle COE. मतलब ये जो angle है इसका मुझे क्या निकालना है बेटा, रिफ्लेक्स. रिफ्लेक्स मतलब क्या होता है, 360 माइनस एंगल. मतलब मुझे पहले COE निकालना पड़ेगा, तभी तो मैं उससे क्या निकाल सकता हूँ, रिफ्लेक्स ऑफ COE. ओके स्टूडेंट, गिवन दैट सॉल्यूशन इज देयर. सिंपल, गिवन दैट फर्स्टली इन द केस ऑफ जियोमेट्री वी सॉल्व sequence, that means a step by step solution. Angle AOC plus angle BOE will be equal of 70 degree, equation number first, and angle BOD will be equal of 40 degree. By the property of vertical opposite angle. What is the meaning of the vertical opposite angle? ठीक है, both angles are known as the vertical opposite angle. By property of vertical opposite angle, since by property of vertical opposite angle we can say this angle will be equal of this. That means angle AOC equal to BOD. Okay student, but we know that angle BOD will be equal of 40 degrees, such that angle AOC will be equal of 40 degree. Okay student, angle AOC will be equal of 40 degree by use of property of vertical opposite angle. Again, now we select by equation number first. What is the meaning of the equation number first? Angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. We have to put the value of AOC. Since angle AOC will be equal of 40 degree, we put the value of AOC such that angle BOE will be equal of 70 minus 40. 70 minus 40 will be equal of 30 degree. Okay student, angle BOE will be equal of 30 degree. Complete. फिर से मैं आपको बता दूं, we have angle AOC plus BOE will be equal of 70 degree and BOD will be equal of 40 degree. Both are the given that. By property of vertical opposite angle, this angle will be equal of this. So due to this 40 degree, we can say angle AOC will be equal of 40 degree. Okay. By the first equation, the sum of this angle will be equal of 70 degree, but AOC, I done AOC will be equal of 40 degree. Put the value of AOC will be equal of 40 degree. 40 plus this will be equal of 70. So this will be equal of 70 minus 40 equal to 30 degree. Now, student, now the upward of the line by the property of the straight line. By property of a straight line, we can say this angle AOC plus COE plus angle EOB will be equal of 180 degree. This plus this will be equal of 180 degree. This is a property of straight line such that AOC, the value of AOC will be equal of 40 degree, and angle COE remains same. Angle EOB will be equal of 30 degree equal to 180. 30 plus 40 will be equal of 70 degree plus COE equal to 180 degree, such that we can write angle COE equal to 180 minus 70 plus minus angle COE will be equal of 110 degree. Okay, student. Now we find the value of COE will be equal 110 degree. But according to the demand of question, we have to calculate the reflex of COE. What is the mean of reflex? Reflex of angle COE will be equal of 360 degree minus angle COE equal to 360 degree minus COE will be equal of 110 degree, such that 250 degree is a final result. Okay, student, I hope you getting the proper solution related to first question. Angle, we have to find the value of angle BOE. Angle BOE will be equal of 30 degree, and the reflex of COE will be equal of 250 degree. Student, now we take the second question of the exercise number 6.1. In the figure 6.14, this is a figure 6.14, line XY, first line XY and MN both are intersect at a point capital O. Here angle POY will be equal of 90 degree, and ratio between the angle A and B will be equal of 2:3. We have to find the value of C. Okay, student, now time for solution. To find angle C such that angle C equal to question mark. Okay, first one. Second one, given that A ratio B equal to 2:3. What is the meaning of ratio? Such that we can write A will be equal of 2x and B will be equal of 3x. A will be equal of 2x and B will be equal of 3x. Since xy is a straight line, by property of a straight line, we can say the sum of all angle A plus B plus angle POY, will be equal of 180 degree. A, that means 2x, B, that means 3x, and 90 will be equal of 180. 3 plus 2 will be equal of 5x, and the positive convert into the form of negative. Plus minus will be equal of 90, and x will be equal of 90 by 5. 90 by 5, that means 5 1 ja 5 and 5 8 ja 14. So value of x will be equal of 18. But student, we have to calculate एंगल सी. मुझे क्या पता होना चाहिए? ये वाला एंगल पता करना है. स्टूडेंट ध्यान से देखेंगे. देखिए, ए एक्स विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 18. नाउ ए विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 2x such that 2 into 18 will be equal of 36 degree, and b equal to 3x, that means 3 into 18 will be equal of 54 degree. Since MN is a straight line by property of linear pair. By property of linear pair. Here I written by property of the straight line, मतलब जब दो से ज्यादा एंगल बने तो स्ट्रेट लाइन और दो एंगल बने तो by property of linear pair we can say B plus C will be equal of 180 degree. But we know that B will be equal of 54 degree. So angle C will be equal 180 minus 54. That means 120 plus 6 will be equal of 126 degree. Okay student, one more time here. According to the question, x, y and mn are two intersecting line at a point capital O and this is a perpendicular angle. We have to find angle C when A ratio B equal to 2 ratio 3. A ratio B equal to 2 ratio 3, that means A equal to 2x, B equal to 3x. By the property of the straight line, we know that the sum of the all angles will be equal of 180 degree. A plus B plus POY plus 180 equal to 180. POY equal to 90 degree. Positive convert into the form of negative, plus minus minus plus 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 into में divide में x will be equal of 18. Okay student. Now time to replace the value of x in the place of 18. So 18 into 2 will be equal of 36. 18 into 3 will be equal of 54. A and B will be equal of 36 and 54 such that by the property of linear pair, इस तरफ देखिए, this and this, the sum of B plus C will be equal of 180 degree. The value of B will be equal of 54 such that C equal to 180 minus 54 will be equal of 126 degree. Student, now we take the third question of the exercise number 6.1. In the figure 6.15, figure is there. Angle PQR. What is the mean of the PQR? Angle PQR will be equal of PRQ. PRQ. Then we have to prove angle PQS. Angle PQS will be equal of PRT. Student, that is my style. देखिए ये क्वेश्चन पढ़ने का एक बहुत अच्छा तरीका होता है, आप उसको नंबरिंग कर लीजिए. वी गिवन दैट एंगल 1 इक्वल टू एंगल 2, वी हैव टू प्रूव एंगल 3 विल बी इक्वल ऑफ एंगल 4. आप माइंड में रखिए. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ टाइम टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. गिवन दैट angle PQR will be equal of PRQ. To prove angle PQS will be equal of PRT. Okay student, by property of linear pair. ध्यान से देखिए स्टूडेंट, मैंने बोला ये जो है एंगल है ये आपस में क्या है, इक्वल है. तो मुझे ये प्रूव करना है कि ये दोनों एंगल भी क्या होंगे, आपस में इक्वल होंगे. कंप्लीट. ध्यान से देखिए, फिर से मैं एक बार बोल रहा हूँ. वी हैव टू प्रूव एंगल 3 विल बी इक्वल ऑफ एंगल 4. नाउ ये पूरे एंगल के बारे में बात करेंगे. अगर जो मैं यहाँ पर बोलूँ बाय द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लीनियर पेयर, बाय प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लीनियर पेयर, we can say angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. 1 that means a PQR. Angle PQR plus angle PQS. PQS will be equal of 180 degree. Okay student, and we can write by the property of linear pair at a point capital R, PRQ plus angle PRT. PRT will be equal of 180 degree. Okay student, by the property of linear pair at a point Q, at a point R, we can say this plus this equal to 180 and this plus this equal to 180 degree. But we have to prove PQS and angle PRT both are equal such that, बस थोड़ा सा बचा है, PQR ठीक है, विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 180 पॉजिटिव कन्वर्ट इनटू द फॉर्म ऑफ नेगेटिव. ओके स्टूडेंट, दिस इज द इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट. एंड अगेन, ठीक है, एंगल पी आर टी विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 180 पॉजिटिव कन्वर्ट इनटू द फॉर्म ऑफ नेगेटिव. ओके स्टूडेंट, बट वी नो दैट PRQ, we know that PRQ will be equal of PQR. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं मैं इसको रिप्लेस कर सकता हूँ. PRT इक्वल टू 180 माइनस PQR, इक्वेशन नंबर सेकेंड. देखिए स्टूडेंट, मैंने क्या करा है, we know that these will be equal of these, that means angle 1 equal to 2. we have to prove angle 3 equal to angle 4. मैंने बोला है यहाँ पर एट अ पॉइंट कैपिटल Q by the property of the linear pair we can say this plus this equal to 180. by the property of linear pair at a point R this plus this will be equal of 180 degree. ओके स्टूडेंट, मुझे जो प्रूव करना है मैंने उस पर पूरा फोकस करा है, उसको एक तरफ रखा है. देखिए, जो प्रूव करना है उसको मैंने अपने हाथ में एक तरफ रखा है. ओके स्टूडेंट, अगर जो मैं दोनों के RHS को इक्वल करना 180 माइनस माइनस, बट इन दोनों में थोड़ा सा क्या है, चेंजेस है. सो एंगल PRQ विल बी इक्वल ऑफ PQR. तो मैं PRQ की जगह पे कितना लिख सकता हूँ, PQR by given that. Okay student, by use of the equation number first and second, by using equation number first and second, RHS are similar, so we can say LHS PQS will be equal of PRT. we have to prove this statement. I hope student you getting the proper solution related to first question, second question and third question of the exercise number 6.1. Thank you so much to watching this YouTube channel of Santipani Higher Secondary School Rajuda. Student, please like, subscribe and also study from our channel.